Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Saturday the 13th of April. Let's see what time it is. It is 2:30 in the afternoon. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Right, let's have a tour and a quick catch up on what's occurring in my greenhouse. First of all, we have these sunflowers. These are absolutely amazing. Look at the size of those beauties. I'll thin these out one per pot. These are the ones on the windowsill. These haven't had any heat or the propagator lid over the top. But yeah, look at those doing really, really well. So yeah, growing really, really well. Then we get down to the tomatoes, my tomatoes. We have Alicante to the left. Burlesque in the middle there, the beefsteak, the really large ones. And to the right, I forget which ones those are, but I've got them down somewhere. These are my Dahlia tubers. No sign of life of any of these. Oh, wait a minute. There might be a little bit of new growth on that one there. But these were from Wilko. Not happy about them at all. Not very good quality. So this delivery today. These are some plug plants, I think pink something. And these are petunias. Those need potting on. And then we have these some trading fuchsias. I think they were pitched from Morrison's, 2 of those. Then we have some pelargoniums here. People call them geraniums as well. These were from last year. This one's called Ivy White. One at the back here is called Classic Fire. They should be really good. And then we're going to go and have a look at the top here. These are my strawberries that I got bare root. They were left a little bit too long, which is my fault, not the delivery. When they all came, they were all perfectly alive. But I'll save some of them, which will be great. And then over here, I'm really excited about these. These are my lupins, Chelsea mix. I can't recommend these enough. I've grown these before from seed, and the flowers on them are absolutely outstanding. So what I've got there, 1, 2, 3 there. So we shall have, come down here. Down here. These are some more plugs, petunias, but I got these a few weeks ago from Thompson & Morgan. Look how good quality those are, absolutely amazing. Get them out of there, folks. Down here, some more petunias. We have Titan White, Jack White, Purple Something, Titan Lavender, all large flowered varieties. As we come down here, we have Evening Primrose, Alison's, Pansies, Marigolds, Delphiniums. Just a couple of Delphiniums coming through there. They're what they look like. Lobelia there. Next to those you have Stocks 10-week mix. That's those. There's some Cosmos. All those are getting ready for potting on. Probably do those tomorrow. And over here, sweet peas. These were all, these 2 trays here were sown December time. They were left all totally dried out. So I've re-sown the sweet peas. Just got some new growth coming through there. And some over there. And then some petunias in here. And I think also some pansies. To the right here, some more. See there? Lupins. Like I said, love growing them from seed. They are perennial. Then here, these were from Amazon. Just see the new growth there. Just a quick catch up. That's what you want to look for. And that is amazing. So yeah, everything is looking and growing really, really well. A lot of potting on to do. And a lot of thinning out. If you've got any questions for me and Monkey, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.